This is the Chug Norris. It's got an auto-tune technology in it. And this is a little chugging machine. So it won't be long after the spawn, when those fish start keying in on bluegill, things like that, these little popping style topwaters really come into play. You can throw them around docks and just chug them just like this. And this one has a big chug to it, like goom, goom. And that right there is going to trigger some bites.
Initial impressions are it's a perfect size and profile version of the Chug Norris for freshwater applications. We've had a lot of fun with the saltwater Chug Norris, popping it for tuna and other saltwater species, but now we've got one applicable for the freshwater world. That auto-tune line tie is incredible technology. It's going to assure that this bait runs and fishes true each and every time out of the box. And this 72 size is absolutely going to get bit. I love that big cup face. It's going to catch a lot of water and really draw a lot of attention to the Chug Norris.